Hey there! Welcome back to Cool Product, where today we're diving into the top 5 best donut maker machines that let you create fresh, fluffy mini donuts right at home in minutes. Let's find the perfect pick for your kitchen. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Viik Donut Maker. The Viik Donut Maker is designed to make homemade donuts quick, simple, and enjoyable. With its compact design and efficient heating system, this appliance allows users to prepare fresh mini donuts in just a few minutes. Simply pour your favorite batter into the molds, close the lid, and wait as the machine bakes 2 delicious donuts at a time. One of the standout features of this donut maker is its double-sided heating technology. The cast aluminum heating plates distribute heat evenly across the surface, ensuring that every donut cooks uniformly with a consistent golden color. This even heating process helps create soft, fluffy donuts while reducing cooking time, making it ideal for busy mornings, snacks, or family gatherings. The heating plates are coated with Teflon non-stick material, which prevents the donuts from sticking during cooking. This non-stick surface not only makes removing the donuts easier, but also simplifies cleaning after use. The smooth coating allows batter to release effortlessly, helping users achieve neat and perfectly shaped mini donuts every time. The appliance is also designed with convenience in mind. Its easy operation makes it suitable for beginners as well as experienced home cooks. Whether you want to experiment with classic glazed donuts, chocolate flavors, or creative toppings, the machine provides a fast and reliable way to prepare fresh treats at home. Thanks to its compact size and user-friendly design, the Viik Donut Maker can fit comfortably in most kitchens without taking up much counter space. It is a practical option for anyone who enjoys homemade desserts and wants a quick way to prepare warm, freshly baked donuts whenever the craving strikes. Next up, at number 4, we have the Aoruru Donut Maker. The Aoruru Donut Maker is a fun and convenient kitchen appliance designed to bring fresh mini donuts to your home in just minutes. It is especially popular for birthday parties and family gatherings, where children can enjoy watching and eating freshly baked treats. With its quick baking performance, it makes dessert preparation simple and enjoyable, turning ordinary moments into something special. One of the highlights of this mini donut maker is its versatility. You can customize your donuts with a wide range of delicious toppings and fillings, such as butter, syrup, fresh fruit, hash browns, ham, and more. This allows you to experiment with both sweet and savory flavors, helping you discover new snack and dessert ideas for different occasions. Cleaning the appliance is also very simple thanks to its non-stick baking surface. After use, a quick wipe with a wet cloth is usually enough to remove any residue, making cleanup fast and hassle-free. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to move around and store in a pantry or kitchen cabinet when not in use, ensuring it doesn't take up unnecessary space. The Aoruru Donut Maker is built with user convenience in mind and includes professional after-sales support. If any issues arise, customers can contact the service team directly and expect a response within 24 hours, ensuring a smooth and worry-free experience. Taking the third spot is the Chef Buddy Donut Maker. The Chef Buddy Donut Maker brings the joy of fresh, homemade donuts right into your kitchen, making it easy to enjoy a classic treat without relying on expensive coffee shops or store-bought snacks. Designed for home use, this compact donut machine allows you to prepare warm, delicious mini donuts anytime you want, using either the included recipe or your favorite donut mix for a more personalized and healthier baking experience. With the Chef Buddy Donut Maker, creativity is at the heart of every batch. You can explore a wide range of flavors and styles, from rich chocolate-covered donuts to spiced cake varieties, sweet glazed treats, and colorful sprinkled creations. It also supports different types of recipes, including traditional cake batters, yeast-based mixes, gluten-free options, and even vegan-friendly ingredients, giving you full flexibility to match your taste and dietary preferences. Operation is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. Once the machine is plugged in, the indicator lights signal when it is powered and preheated. After that, a light coating of cooking spray helps ensure smooth release, and the batter can be poured directly into the cooking plates. The cool touch handle adds an extra layer of safety, while the non-stick surface ensures that each donut cooks evenly and comes out cleanly shaped. Cleaning the Chef Buddy donut maker is just as effortless as using it. After unplugging and allowing it to cool, the non-stick plates can be easily wiped with a damp cloth. For best results and safe use, it is recommended to clean the unit before the first use as well. This easy maintenance helps keep the appliance ready for your next batch of fresh homemade donuts. Perfect for families, baking enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys quick homemade treats, the Chef Buddy donut maker turns simple ingredients into delightful mini donuts in minutes, bringing warmth and creativity to your kitchen. Coming in at number 2 is the Betty Crocker Donut Maker. The Betty Crocker Donut Maker brings the joy of fresh homemade donuts right into your kitchen in just minutes. Designed for quick and simple baking, it allows you to prepare up to 7 warm, fluffy donuts at a time without the need for deep frying. This makes it a convenient option for those who want delicious treats with a lighter, less oily finish and minimal kitchen mess. At the heart of its design is a non-stick cooking surface that helps create evenly baked golden brown donuts while ensuring easy release once they are ready. This feature not only supports consistent results, but also makes cleanup straightforward after baking sessions. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or planning a small gathering, the machine helps deliver fresh donuts in a short amount of time. The donut maker is designed to be user-friendly and family-oriented. Its simple operation makes it suitable for beginners, while also turning baking into an enjoyable activity for children and adults alike. It provides an opportunity to introduce kids to basic baking skills and creative food decoration in a fun and engaging way. The experience goes beyond cooking, becoming a shared kitchen activity that brings everyone together. To enhance creativity, the appliance includes helpful accessories such as a piping bag with decorating nozzles and a spatula. These tools allow users to add frosting, icing, and decorative touches to their donuts, turning simple baked goods into personalized treats. Whether for birthdays, celebrations, or casual snacks, decorating becomes an enjoyable part of the process. Additional thoughtful features include a cool touch handle for safer use, a power-on indicator light, and a temperature-ready indicator that helps ensure proper baking conditions. These practical elements make the donut-making process smoother and more controlled. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Betty Crocker Donut Maker is built to offer reliability along with convenience, making homemade donut creation an easy and enjoyable experience for everyday use. And finally, our top pick, the Dash Donut Maker. The Dash Express Mini Donut Maker is a compact kitchen appliance designed to bring the joy of fresh, homemade donuts into any home, no matter the space. Created by Dash, this mini donut maker blends convenience, speed, and creativity into one easy-to-use device. Built with a space-saving design, it fits comfortably on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms. Its lightweight structure also allows for simple storage, so it can be tucked away when not in use without taking up valuable space. The machine heats up quickly and delivers evenly cooked, fluffy mini donuts in just minutes. Whether you prefer classic glazed treats or want to experiment with fun toppings and flavors, it helps you create fresh donuts effortlessly at home. every batch comes out consistently cooked, making it easy to enjoy delicious results without complicated preparation. Designed for everyday convenience, the Dash Donut Maker features a double-sided non-stick cooking surface that allows donuts to release easily while also making cleanup fast and hassle-free. This means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying warm, homemade treats with family and friends. Quick, simple, and enjoyable to use, it transforms donut making into a fun kitchen activity that anyone can take part in. From weekend breakfast surprises to creative dessert moments, it brings people together through shared cooking experiences. The Dash Express Mini Donut Maker reflects a simple idea. Happiness can be made at home, one small donut at a time. Craving fresh homemade donuts? Check the price link in the description to pick your favorite donut maker. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more delicious kitchen finds and top product reviews.